Gavana wa kaunti ya Nyamira Muskamus Nyaribo ni gara umurebero bwo gucakigwa kwa mache yo ranyarego kwena no bokariri kilomita 33 ase municipality ya Nyamira igono cia mategwetani libweyamo kirachiwa konyeka asokonyora macha yegenta tebona no kwanekikira mwananchi honyorire amachama yao
na ndi na mwaiwa ko faulu we utility era depend ebintu bibere abantu bakane amache bakonyo eriya kabere ekiagara kilomita nyito otumyanga 2 million gopambo amache nere mwewa president ataete support ko ya sorolize to reduce ebiri ya amache into more than half baadaye ntokora solarization yangori tokora solarization yansiongo iye ina range na yoka tora make a company yetu are profit meaning yakane she expense chaye without county government go chaime wana igamba bwata madeni a 14 million estima ayakogera ayesumbwete gwaka tore sabu na tora ngakito bakonya egende ikerwo na ribara anse buronge gasi yabo bakane cyomutinyi nande uchimututo kubeka solarization ecyomutinyi kirabe chinke igonto nyare we sustain ourselves
activity as a last mile connectivity a contracted on the ground ago cover 38 kilometers of pipeline. Already, the contractor has done 23 kilometers, atigareti 15 kilometers, yakore the 38 kilometers, siriabwenerete gokora. And nturucha seta unibuna connections ya mache genderete. Out of the 38, ntubwate an additional 8 kilometers. Echibono chigo korune utility ya Nyawasco. Abutware terachi mite echi, batumi echi pipe echi moro chechire maega ya 70 rolls will cover 8 kilometers. Chi pipe echi chigo connect from the main pipe to the consumer. Egere consumers banyare konyora amache. So at the end of the day abantu baitu banyare ko baba konyora amache all the time, and again connections chi amache chigenderere chigenda igoro na enden ko basababu na abamenyi banyamira tunyare go identify because your problem wenene tubwate igaiga Nyamira illegal connections chiri chigerete utility yete nyora chibese bune bwirete konyora illegal connections ne aro tubwate irigoro na revenue water eso korora any leakage here. Please, Kabe Ambassador, Ocho report to the office, egere leakage yenyare ko ba fixed.